Batman's weakest voice.
Hey guys, it's me, Happy. Crap, pop my knee in this kid.
Hi.
Hand me that drink.
And I'm having
We're doing the burpee contest again with the mist.
me and
Hashtag not sponsored.
I'm having a sleepover again.
Chris, yeah, he's having a sleepover again at my house.
I am too.
And this kid joined for like the first. Crap, where's this kid? For the first time. Yeah, hashtag Craner's all grown up. So we're doing burping contest. Happy Chase gets the legend of going first.
Oh God.
Oh, guys, by the way, all day we were doing this. We're going. I'm Batman!
And my voice really hurts.
And this kid was doing squeaky. Ah, crap, you almost tripped me, fool.
And yesterday.
This kid was doing squeaky all day, so it's don't hurt.
Yeah,
Ready?
so.
Oh God.
Ready,
Terrible
Chase?
for me. And I suck at trying to burp.
Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, guys, weak bursts don't count.
Chug, 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 chug.
Dude, it's
It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt.
It's gonna hurt like hell. Hey, it hurts.
Okay. There we go.
Let's go with burps.
Oh, this will be hard.
I told Happy way to do a big burp.
No burps.
This kid sucks. Alright, my turn, Happy.
Wait a minute. Give me some pointers on how to burp.
Oh, I'll give you pointers when Happy's done. Alright,
There's a burp right there.
guys, my stomach's upset. We just ate like a whole box of pizza.
Yeah. Almost 2.
This kid even finished his second slice of pizza.
Oh.
Alright, got me and Happy.
Dude.
Oh, that kid is actually me.
Happy, me.
1, 2, 3.
Still hurting?
Nope. That's all I need to beat you.
No, my throat wasn't really hurting.
3 burps. I beat this kid.
How did you burp?
The food stopped me though, so I couldn't really.
Okay, ready?
Hold up. This kid got 0.
I don't know how to burp.
Alright, bring me in. I'll bring
I
you
don't know
in.
how to
5, 4,
Oh.
3, 2, 1, go! Do you remember the trick I taught you? His throat hurts.
It always stings.
I know,
Do you
right?
remember the? Hey, bruh, what is that?
Dude.
What is that? That's electronic. This kid sent a drink on electronics.
You just messed up my freaking burps.
Do you remember the trick I taught you?
Messed
Retry.
up my burps.
How will I first
Okay,
round?
retry.
Nope, this kid.
No, retry.
No, this
retry.
No, freaking retry.
First told me how to burp.
You made me
Damn it.
take. You made me have to take a break. You made me take a break.
Give me this.
You made me take a
Give me
break.
the mist, hat, fam. Give me the mist.
Guys, we don't have a cap
If
on
this
that.
gets all over me, I'm throwing
Yeah,
it.
we don't have a cap in here, guys.
Just how does that happen? If this gets all over me, I'm gonna throw it all over you.
Can someone show me how to teach me how
That
to
didn't
burp?
count. You made me stop.
That counts.
You
I don't
made
know
me
how to
stop.
burp.
I would have been like.
This kid gets to go
3.
again.
I would have been like.
I suck.
2.
Okay, you heard it here, folks. He said 2. I still would have won.
I don't know how to burp.
Just drink.
Or 3.
5, 4,
You
3,
never
2,
know.
1.
Maybe he's not actually drinking. It just goes on his shirt. Look at. Doesn't even look like he's drinking. He's gonna just go.
This kid's probably not gonna burp again. The whole thing? He's not even drinking.
Mm-hmm.
The cup
There we
wasn't
go,
moving,
got him.
stupid. Whoosh! I got
Oh
him.
my god! You see all of it coming out of his
Alright,
mouth.
guys, let's count.
Nope.
This kid sucks.
I suck.
What?
Alright, Happy, bring me
I don't
in.
know how to burp.
Bring me in.
So
Someone please
3, 2, 1.
Someone please show me how to burp.
I like burning. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Damn it, 3's last time. Alright.
Dude,
Kid.
someone
5,
please show me how
4,
to
3, 2,
burp.
1. Kid, you don't know how to burp. That's just depressing.
I've never burped. I never burp.
1, 2.
Nope.
I won!
How do you burp?
Hold on, ready?
I won.
Ready?
It's like ready.
Wait a minute.
floor.
How do you burp? I'm gonna.
Alright, I'm happier to end this vlog. Not vlog, challenge. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, but you don't have to.
Subscribe.
Look what? Scooby snack! Oh, that sucked. Guys, ready? That was the count, though. I hate when it happens to me. I'm Batman! Leave down how good that was. I'm Batman. You know who's better, too. You don't have to, but it would be really appreciated if you like and subscribe.
Dude,
Alright, so.
hashtag Craner's all grown up.
Hashtag Craner's a grown up. Hashtag Cobblestone Rush. Hashtag Poppy sucks. Peace out.